Hello! In this video tutorial I will show you how you can enter, edit and create 2D interior objects. In the first step we deactivate the grid and the line width for a better overview. Now we will display our view in maximum size. Therefore, we could select View and the function Show All, or we press the shortcut Position 1 or Home for the function Show All. In the first step of our example, we will create in room number 3 a bedroom made out of different 2D objects. Therefore, we zoom a little bit into the view. This is, for example, a position with a good overview. And now we select our catalog. Here we select, for example, 2D symbols. And we open, for example, the folder Bedroom. We select, for example, one of the beds, for example this one. Now we press the left mouse button and we drag the bed into our 2D view. When we move now the cursor, we can move the 2D object. The window in the middle of the view is the Tool Options window. Here we could enter an angle or a position for our 2D object. If the Tool Options window is in your way or hiding the view, you can select it with a left mouse click and drag it to another position. If we would like to hide or show the Tool Options window, we press the shortcut W. Now we will change the angle of our 2D object. Therefore, we could select the Tool Options window with a left mouse click, or we press space to get into the Tool Options window to change the angle, or we turn the mouse wheel. We turn, for example, the mouse wheel. Please note, changing the angle of an object with the mouse wheel only works when the Tool Options window is activated. If the Tool Options window is deactivated and you turn the mouse wheel, you will move the view up and down. This is now the correct angle for our bed, and in the next step we will change the reference point of our 2D object. To change the reference point of a 2D object, we press the key combination Ctrl and W. Every time when we press this key combination, the reference point changes. This is the correct reference point, and we place the bed with a left mouse click on this wall. After it, we press Escape. As we can see, the room description is now in our way. If we want to move the room description to another position, we select it with a left mouse click and we select the function Move with Reference Point. Or we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. We select our reference point, for example this point, and we move the description for example to this point. After it we press Escape. In the next step we will position 2 bedside cabinets on each side of our bed. Therefore we switch to our catalog. We select, for example, this bedside cabinet with a left mouse click and we drag it into our 2D view. Now we press Ctrl and W to change the reference point. This is the correct reference point and we place it, for example, here. Now we change again the reference point of our 2D object and we place the second bedside cabinet here. After it we press Escape. In the next step we will position our bed and our 2 bedside cabinets centered in the middle of the room. Therefore, we select them, for example, with a selection box. And now we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. We select our reference point, for example, this point. We press the right mouse button. We select Constructional Support and Center Point, or we close these windows and we press the shortcut M for the function Center Point. We select now a start and an end point. And as we can see, our 2D objects moved now in the middle between those points. Finally, we can press Escape. In the next step, we will place a cupboard in this area of the room. Therefore, we switch to our catalog. We select, for example, this cupboard. We press and hold the left mouse button and drag it into our 2D view. We turn again the mouse wheel to change the angle of the object. This is the correct angle. Now we change the reference point, therefore we press Ctrl and W. That's the correct reference point and we place the cupboard, for example, here. After it we press Escape. The room labeling is again in our way, so we select it. We press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point and we move it, for example, to this point. After it we press Escape. As we can see now, our cupboard is too large, so we have to change the dimensions of the 2D object. Therefore, we make a left mouse click to select it and a double left mouse click to open the 2D symbol settings. Of course, we could also make a right mouse click on the object and select the point Properties to get into the 2D symbol settings. At the 2D symbol settings, we can change the dimensions, the width and the height of our object. If we select the point Maintain Aspect Ratio, the proportions of our object stay the same. In our example, we deactivate the point Maintain Aspect Ratio and we enter for the width, for example 2.50 meters. After it we can press OK. The dimensions changed and now we will move the cupboard in the left upper corner. Therefore we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. We select the reference point, that's this point, and we move the object to this point. After it we press Escape. Our bedroom is now finished defined, and in the next step we will create our own 2D symbol. Therefore we press at first the shortcut position 1 or home for the function Show All. And now we zoom into room number 6, where we will create our own 2D symbol. In the first step we will enter some guidelines. Therefore we select the point 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline and Numeric Parallel Guideline. Now we change the color of the guideline, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. We click on Appearance, we click on the color, we select for example a green color, and we press OK, OK, and OK. Please note there's also another way how we can select the function Numeric Parallel Guideline. We press Escape and now we press the shortcut P for the function Numeric Parallel Guideline. We will create, for example, a cupboard, so we enter in the first step a guideline from this line into this direction with a distance of 0.6 meters. After it we press Enter. We press Escape and now we will enter a rectangle. Therefore we select the point Rectangle and Rectangle. We enter our rectangle from this point to this point. After it we press Escape. Now we will change the filling of the rectangle. Therefore we select it, we press the right mouse button and we click on Properties. Here we select the point Filling, and for the fill style we select for example the point None. After it we press OK and OK. We press Escape and now we select the rectangle. The guideline is selected now. We don't move our mouse and click again the left mouse button. The rectangle is selected now and we click on the function Bring to Front. We press Escape and now the rectangle gets displayed in front of the guideline. In the next step we enter one more guideline, therefore we press the shortcut P for the function Numeric Parallel Guideline. We enter a guideline from this line into this direction with a distance of 0.05 meters. After it, we press Enter. We press Escape, and now we select 2D and Layout, Line, and Between 2 points. We enter the first line from this point to this point, and one more from this point to this point, and the last one from this point to this point. After it, we press Escape. The cupboard is finished now, but finally we will enter 2 doorknobs in front of it. Therefore, we press again the shortcut P for the function numeric parallel guideline. We enter the first guideline from this line into this direction with a distance of 1.10 meters. We press Enter. We enter one more guideline from this line into this direction 0.05 meters. We press OK. One more from this line into this direction, also 0.05 meters. We press Enter. Now we do the same thing on the opposite side, also 0.05 meters, and one more time 0.05 meters. Now we enter the last guideline from this line into this direction 0.05 meters. We press OK. And we press Escape. We have entered now all the guidelines we need, and we zoom a little bit into the view. Now we create our doorknobs. We select Rectangle and Rectangle. We enter the first rectangle from this point to this point, and the second one from this point to this point. After it, we press Escape. Now we will change the filling of our doorknobs. Therefore, we select the first rectangle, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. We click on the point Filling. For the fill style, we select, for example, Monochrome. Now we select the color, for example, Silver, and we press OK, OK, and OK. We press Escape, and now we transfer the color to the other doorknob. Therefore, we select it, we press the right mouse button and we select Transfer Properties. Here we deselect the point All Properties and we select Fill Properties. We click on Next. We select the point Manual Target Selection and we click on By Target Selection. We select the second doorknob and after it we press Enter. We click on Finish and we press Escape. The cupboard is now finished defined and we zoom a little bit out of the view. Before we save our cupboard as a 2D object, we will delete all guidelines because we don't need them anymore. Therefore, we could select each guideline and press delete, or we select edit and we choose the deleting wizard. At the deleting wizard, we select at first the point None, and after it we open the point Help Elements and we select Guideline 2D. After it we click on Next. On Current Layer is selected, that's correct. And finally we click on Finish. All guidelines are deleted, and now we save our cupboard as a 2D symbol. Therefore, we select our cupboard with a selection box. We make a right mouse click on it, and we select Save Selected Objects as 2D symbol. If it don't get displayed, you can find the folder Graphics 2D under C User, User, Documents, Cadvilla and Graphics 2D. Here we select the folder My Samples, and now we type in a name for it. For example, Cupboard. Example. After it, we can press OK. We press the Delete key, and now we click at our catalog on Open File. We select our cupboard with a double mouse click. We change the reference point and we place it, for example, here. We press the Escape key, and now we can take a look at our finished defined cupboard. Please note, with this method you're able to create your own 2D objects and you're able to save them to your own catalog. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.